Hello and welcome to Straight Up. Choose to be free, a channel that is meant to jug out the real you. Speak your mind because this channel is for the youth and by the youth. And today's topic is live-in relationships.
लिव इन का बोला
अरे बस ओपिनियन ले रहा हूँ.
रुक जा
अरे
ओपिनियन
ओपिनियन. What does a live-in relationship mean?
When a guy and a girl stay together before marriage.
Before marriage?
Yeah.
What? They
Yeah.
do that?
Of course they do.
It means living together.
A lot more than living together.
It's about being in love and staying together.
It's not necessary they are in love. It can be other things also.
Like it's like a trial basis before marriage to stay together.
How is it different from marriage?
It can be very similar to marriage. You have the choice to be a little bit more honest, perhaps, with each other sometimes. You know.
You just don't have the mom-in-law and the dad-in-law. I guess live-in relationships are better than getting married.
Okay, why do you think so?
See, like whenever you want and you have any complication, you can just leave.
To be honest, marriage is going down in England. There are more people that are just living together.
Yeah. So are live-in relationships legal in India?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think it's legal in India.
He's the law student.
So the law student, can you answer?
Oh yeah, I don't know about that.
Legal in Mumbai, right?
In Mumbai?
Yeah.
In
I
Mumbai?
don't know.
Elsewhere it's not legal.
I have no idea, but
In Mumbai it's legal, right?
There-
Why is the society against this?
It's the herd. Where the donkey goes, I follow. We have brought up like Indians, like
Yeah.
you're not supposed to do this. Girls are not supposed to like
Right.
have that and
Yeah.
this relationship.
Girls are not supposed to have colored hair. But
Yeah, pure say.
Yeah, but fuck them, right?
Yes.
When you have child marriage in India,
Then
exactly.
it's fine.
Then it's fine. You can burn girls.
But this
It's
one,
fine.
it's against
Exactly.
Indian culture. Wow. What's our culture like?
I don't know. Sat Janam and all stuff.
Saj.
गुप्ता जी क्या सोचेंगे साइड में जब बैठे
गुप्ता जी क्या सोचेंगे?
वही
Our society is basically a सास बहू सीरियल देखने वाला सोसाइटी.
लोग क्या कहेंगे?
लोग कहेंगे.
शर्मा जी क्या कहेंगे?
शर्मा जी क्या कहेंगे? शर्मा जी की बेटी कितनी संस्कारी है and all that.
Why does Sharma ji have any issues?
There are two things about Indian.
Yeah.
One is they love giving advice, and second is they're judgmental.
They are judge plus mental also.
Yes.
मुंबई में चलता है ये.
No one really gives a shit what
Yeah.
the neighbor is doing. That's the attitude of Mumbai.
So if your partner asks you for a live-in relationship, would you agree?
Yeah, I don't think there's an issue.
There's no issue, right?
ऐसा कोई इशू नहीं है
Issue नहीं.
जब तक भाड़ा आ रहा है सब कुछ चलेगा
I would love to.
The intensity of your feelings as
Intensity.
well.
अगर वो intense हो, बहुत intense.
No, the feelings like the.
You agree? Will you tell your parents?
Probably.
Then they'll be like, बेटा marry कर लो.
No, they'll basically grill the guy. They'll question him
क्या
and
करते
all.
हो? क्या तुम IIT से हो? नहीं हो? जाओ.
They'll basically question him and.
No, IIT, IIM. Okay, fine. This one check. This one check. This one check.
So who's benefited more in live-in relationship? Is it the girl or the guy?
It's like both, you know.
It's both, is it?
Yeah, it's both because girl gets all the love when she's betrayed from her family and all,
Right.
and a guy also has a support
Yeah.
when he needs.
What's with that? Oh my God, Shakespeare Part 2.
And who pays the rent?
I guess both, if they both are working. Oh, a few girls are there who prefer guys paying that.
दोनों ने तो करना चाहिए पे पर लड़का कर देता है भाई
I think they'll share it. Depends. See, there are so many girls who live on the guy. I mean, his income and things.
Right.
There are so many guys who live on the girl's income. I
Yeah.
think it's better you share.
So what's your opinion on sex before marriage?
Not allowed
Not allowed.
No.
What's the right time to have sex?
after marriage
After marriage.
in
Now,
proper way,
Just one.
not like that animal,
Not like animals. The couples having sex in live-in relationship
like animals.
like animals. After marriage we do like humans. Would you share a flat with a live-in couple?
Probably not.
I would never
You would never stay. Why wouldn't you stay?
All the kuchi queen. I can't. Oh, baby. Oh, I can't believe this. I also have a guy to kuchi kui to ke no?
I need privacy and even they need privacy.
They need privacy, right? Do couples fight a lot in
Yeah,
live-in?
yeah,
They do?
yeah,
They
a
do?
lot.
They do?
I think everything needs a fight. Come on, there's
Yeah.
nothing in life without drama.
Yeah.
Believe in drama. Fight.
Yes, you have more problems because you're living together and you get to know the person more.
Supreme Court has declared that if a couple is living under the same roof, then they'll be considered as a married couple, which means if the guy dies, then the girl can inherit his property. So what's your opinion on this one?
No, I don't.
Yeah, that doesn't sound
not
good,
at all.
right?
I'll be very happy. I mean, I support it.
Does the thing goes other way around? If a female dies and the
Not really, not really.
No, then I don't agree.
I don't know him.
If our boyfriends had 2 to 3 girlfriends,
What if he's keeping another girl in another flat?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then switching. You know, I'm going for work, but then apparently he's going to her.
So in that case, the property goes to whoever is the hottest.
Okay, then maybe decides that the Supreme Court how to measure hotness. I think it's good to be a live-in actually before getting married, so you get to know about a person rather than getting married and getting divorced. It's better
Yeah.
you stay in a live-in.
Yeah.
work it out. If it doesn't work out, fair enough. If it works out, go for a marriage.
Sign the contract, right?
Sign the contract.
This is what people had to say about live-in relationship. अरे लिव-इन का मतलब है लड़का और लड़की साथ में रहना चाहते हैं और आपको कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं दे रहे।
अरे बात तो बहुत सही की है।
और इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए इस वीडियो को और सब्सक्राइब टू द मोस्ट ओपन चैनल स्ट्रे डॉग।
चलो भैया बहुत मारा तुमको, अब पान खिलाते हैं, चलिए।
अरे हम पान नहीं खाते।
अरे खाइए, बड़ा आनंद आता है।
अरे हम खाते नहीं है, कैसे
अरे खाइए, चलो चलो पंडित जी के पास चलो।
Like if you both exchange each other, so what are you gonna do with each other?
What are we doing right now? We're gonna do that only, na? If he turns,
So you will get a privilege to fuck, like.
yeah.